And the collaboration with Johnson Tiles is particularly important because they bring over a century of manufacturing, distribution, and sales experience, which as a startup is something we simply lack. So that market access and sector leadership will be a big boost for us. And what we provide for them is a UK produced, sustainable, green technology to add to their sales portfolio.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Frontier IP Group portfolio company Dekiln is entering a collaboration with Johnson Tiles to scale up its unique kiln-free tile technology. With more, I'm joined by Dekiln's CEO, Dr. Aled Roberts. Aled, very good to speak with you. Could you start by reminding us a little bit more about Dekiln and its technology?
Yeah, sure. So we've developed a bio-based alternative to ceramic tiles. So essentially, it's a material that looks, feels, behaves like a ceramic tile. So it's functionally equivalent, but it avoids the kiln firing step. So it's a much lower carbon footprint. And we achieve this through biomimicry. So looking at nature, how materials like seashells or like tooth enamel are produced, learning those lessons and applying it along with man-made engineering to produce something that is, yeah, much lower carbon footprint and applicable at scale.
So why is this collaboration with Johnson Tiles important, Aled?
So it's very important for the struggling UK ceramic tile industry in particular. So the very high energy costs are a hammer blow for the industry, a lot of recent closures. So what we're offering is a alternative to conventional ceramics that doesn't need to be fired. So much lower energy input costs, much lower carbon footprint. And the collaboration with Johnson Tiles is particularly important because they bring over a century of manufacturing, distribution, and sales experience, which as a startup is something we simply lack. So that market access and sector leadership will be a big boost for us. And what we provide for them is a UK produced, sustainable, green technology to add to their sales portfolio.
Aside from the collaboration, what's next for Dekiln, Aled?
So we'll be setting up a major pilot plant in Stoke-on-Trent. So that will be a significant endeavour for us. But in addition to that, we'll be developing our first tile ranges. And we'll also be expanding the choice for customers. So one of the advantages of our technology is we have a much broader range of colours we can access because the tiles aren't fired. So we're going to expand that range of choice for customers. We'll also be looking to develop other applications for our technology, for example, sustainable alternatives to concrete. So yeah, we'll be looking forward to announcing some further developments soon.
Aled, can you tell us more about that pilot plant?
Yeah, sure. So it's funded through a £3 million Royal Academy of Engineering Green Future Fellowship. We'll be setting it up in the heart of Stoke-on-Trent, and this is to minimise transportation costs and emissions. So we source our main raw material, which is waste plaster of Paris, from the ceramic pottery industries themselves. So this is a material that's used for like casting. They basically use plaster of Paris to cast their pots, and we use that as our main raw material. So yes, we'll be setting that up over the next coming years with this funding, and we hope to have that up and running by the end of the year and beyond.
Well, Aled, I hope you'll keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Aled Roberts, the CEO of Dekiln.